Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by washing and drying the chip so you see exactly what you're dealing with. This prevents spreading contaminants. Once done, mask a 1-2-inch perimeter with painter's tape to protect surrounding clear coat. Next, remove loose, lifted paint using a plastic scraper or 2000 grit wet sandpaper at a 45 degrees angle. Work gently to avoid sanding intact paint. You're only taking off loose material now. Stop when edges feel smooth to the touch, so you preserve the original finish. Now you fill and rebuild. If bare metal shows, apply a thin primer or adhesion promoter and let it cure. This prevents rust and improves paint bonding. Use a color-match touch-up applicator to lay down several thin coats rather than one thick one. Wait 10-15 minutes between coats so each layer sets. Once color is at level, wet sand the edges with 1500-2000 grit to feather the transition. Make sure the repaired area is smooth and flush, with surrounding paint before clear coat. Finish by applying 1-2 thin clear coat layers, keeping even strokes and allowing proper cure time. This restores gloss and protects the repair. Once cured, wet sand lightly with 2000-3000 grit only if there are high spots. Then polish with a rubbing compound and finish with a fine polish for seamless shine. If you still see a color mismatch or peeling, reapply thin paint layers or stop and consult a pro. Important troubleshooting. If corrosion appears under the repair, remove material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.